What's up? This is Quentin with Q's Tips. So, keep wanting to get this sub installed with the factory Bose, but Florida weather has won once again. So, GoPro didn't charge last night, and so decided to mow the grass in the morning, and now we got this unit up here. So, but need to put something out. So, I just have a standard house garage here. I can pretty much do anything in here. Motors, I can pull transmissions, push bearings, I can rebuild rear ends. I even got a little welder. It's not that great, but it does the job. Definitely not the prettiest thing just because it's flux core, but you definitely can do it. I used to have 2 cars in here. Got rid of one. Got kids, so they took over this whole little section. So not ideal, but they got to put their stuff somewhere. Took me a while to deal with all that. So, but got my little oil over here. Just staying organized. Oil, cleaning supplies. Keep the cars detailed and all that fun stuff. Of course you got your standard wrenches and all that good stuff. But yeah, this is I call it my garage shop. And then I do all electric tools just so, I never have to plumb air. I move a lot with the military, so kind of have to be flexible in that department. But yeah, the Regal here is going to be my big project. So I've had this car for 8 years, and I've basically just been driving it and having fun. Got parts washer here, got my little grinder. I'm into RC cars too. It's a lot of fun, just very expensive. I go through phases of it. Like I get bored with it or it gets expensive and I'll take a break from it. So, but all my specialty tools and a shelf helps out a lot for organizing everything. And then a shop press can get you out of a lot of tricky situations. So, but yeah, this is my first video ever on YouTube, so I do a lot of cool stuff here. I built this truck here, and when I say built, I mean, it was pretty much gone. Needed a motor, transmission, wiring, interior was trashed, and so pretty much I went through everything with this. I got it for $1,200 if that helps you. And then in 6 months I turned it into this. So, but yeah, I make a bunch of money off cars, and this is kind of how it goes. This is my wife's car here. Got it really cheap as well. A little bit of mechanical work. There's a lot you can do with cars and just be willing to fix it up and put a little money into it. So, but yeah, my name's Q, and this is my little shop. So yeah, take care.